14 months prior to the historic moon landing. Neil Armstrong faced a near-disastrous failure while practicing with a prototype moon lander. Fortunately, he managed to save his life using an ejector in the final 2 seconds. Fast forward to the Apollo 11 mission, and Armstrong successfully landed on the moon. However, persistent conspiracy theories, even 54 years later, continue to question the authenticity of NASA's achievement. Conspiracy theories often gain traction, raising doubts about the moon landings being staged in some remote desert. These speculations find fuel in incidents like the 2002 altercation between astronaut Buzz Aldrin and Bart Sibley, a moon landing skeptic. The incident, where Aldrin punched Sibley for questioning the Apollo 11 mission's authenticity, reignited discussions around the conspiracy theories. One prevalent conspiracy theory suggests that the moon landings were a ploy by the United States to outshine the Soviet Union during the Cold War space race. While the Soviet Union achieved significant milestones, such as launching the first satellite and an unmanned spacecraft to the moon, they never sent humans to the lunar surface. In contrast, NASA claimed 6 successful moon landings. One common point of skepticism revolves around the camera used to capture moon photographs. Critics, like photographer Marcus Allen, argue that operating a complex camera inside a pressurized spacesuit seems implausible. However, aerospace engineer Jay Widley clarifies that the Hasselblad 500 liters camera used by astronauts was specially modified for lunar missions. It featured glove-friendly controls and a sliding attachment to eliminate the need for handheld operation. Another contentious issue involves the shadows in moon photographs. Some theorists claim that non-parallel shadows suggest a studio setup with artificial lighting. Yet, experts argue that natural variations in terrain and wide-angle shots can cause non-parallel shadows, debunking this particular theory. The behavior of the American flag planted on the moon's surface has also fueled conspiracy discussion. Critics question why the flag appears to wave despite the moon lacking an atmosphere. Astronaut Buzz Aldrin explained that lack of flag planting practice led to excessive force, causing the flag to ripple. Additionally, the design of the flag, with an aluminum rod and a top rod to prevent fading, contributes to its unique appearance. The absence of a crater under the lunar lander upon landing is another aspect challenged by conspiracy theorists. Physicists clarify that the rocket motors were turned off before landing, reducing thrust and preventing significant soil disturbance. While some soil is displaced, it doesn't cover the landing gear due to the reduced thrust. Conspiracy theorists also question the dark sky in moon photos without visible stars. Experts explain that the camera lens, like human eyes, adjusts to light conditions. In this case, the moon's brightly lit surface overwhelmed the camera's ability to capture stars in its limited exposure setting. Despite these conspiracy theories, scientific explanations and historical facts debunk the notion that the moon landings were a hoax. The Apollo missions represent a monumental achievement in human history, showcasing innovation, determination, and global collaboration. In conclusion, skepticism surrounding the moon landings persists, fueled by various conspiracy theories. However, scientific explanations and evidence counter these claims, affirming the authenticity of NASA's achievement. It is crucial to rely on verifiable information and avoid succumbing to unfounded speculations that diminish the significance of these remarkable feats. And don't forget to subscribe to Rafopedia for more insightful content.